no. You almost crashed into a Tesla. We're on the railroad tracks, folks. Is that a witch? Whoa, dude. Folks, what's going on? Oregon Motorcycle, bringing you another awesome episode, coming to you today, straight out of Gladstone, Oregon. Today we're doing a range test. All right, folks, range test it is again. Today is a little bit different because I have these Shinko SR241s on here, and I have a very big fat sprocket on the back. I have a 54 tooth sprocket on the back, and I put it on Friday to go to the Portland E-Ride, just because I wanted to mess around with a bigger sprocket or whatever, and just kind of play around with that. But I figured since I had it on and I wanted to go for a ride today, it's gonna be warm, so I didn't really want to be doing like a lot of off-roading today. Just wanted to cruise around town, so I figured it would be a good day to test out the range on this. So today we're in eco mode. It's going to be eco mode only today, and I'm kind of going to replicate the other range test I did when I did over 50 miles. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. It's going to be posted in the top right corner up here somewhere. Yeah, I did over 50 miles. I think I got like 52 miles on that day, and that was with the stock tires, 30 pounds of pressure, non O-ring chain, and the stock 42 tooth pinion, or our pinion. It's not an RC car. 42 tooth sprocket. So yeah, I mean, you could probably baby it a little bit more and maybe do 60, like I think the manual claims or whatever, the manufacturer claims over 60. So today we're gonna see what we can do in eco mode. These tires weigh about a pound heavier. They're about a pound heavier each. Stupid GoPro thing keeps going out of me. I have no idea when it went out of me and when we left. Good thing I checked it. I was just talking about the new GoPro batteries I'm breaking in right now to, I mean, hopefully stop the problems I have. But I mean, from what I hear, like a lot of people have problems with almost all the GoPros shutting off. Just so if you're vlogging with these things, you don't know when they go off. And I don't know, I just wasted a lot of time. So anyways, it's all good. So yeah, breaking in some new GoPro batteries, and I just pulled over and checked the range. I'm at like about 7 miles, and I burned about 10% of the battery. So if we do the math on that, if we take it to 20%, we get 7 miles for each percent. I mean, man, that's putting me a little bit below 50 or something like that. We'll see what we do today. This will be interesting. Top speed on this bike with this sprocket setup and tires is about 26 miles per hour. Whoa, dude. That guy almost hit me. Dang. So my prediction today is that I'm gonna get less mileage with this setup versus a stock setup with the stock tires and the stock wheels. The thing I don't like about these long trips is flat tires. So it would really suck if I got a flat tire this far away. I got the tools and everything to fix it, and in fact, you guys, I just picked up a new bag. It's up front. You can't even see it here. It's kind of hanging onto the forks. I don't know if I'm gonna have it mounted there permanently, but I picked it up yesterday at REI. It's a bag designed for bikes, and I picked up a new pump. That pump I have is just, you got to pump like 1,000 pumps just to get like 5 pounds of pressure. It's ridiculous. The bag's big enough to like hold your wallet, the pump, and you know, maybe the stock tool bag that comes with this bike. It's not the biggest bag, but I'm actually looking for something that would fit on the tank here that wouldn't really affect my riding that much. But I kind of like this tank bag I got, and seems like it's a high quality, nice bag. So pretty much just riding full throttle in eco mode through this section here. We're about to get right next to the river here. It's gonna be pretty awesome to have some nice views. I've always liked this area that we're getting ready to go to here. Milwaukee, Gladstone area, whatever you call it. That regen's definitely kicked in. I don't know, guys. I don't think the regen actually charges the battery. What do you guys think? Post your comments below. Do you guys think that the regen actually puts juice back in the battery? I think it's just a form of an electric brake, you know, and that's my opinion. You know, it'd be cool if some like electron nerd, some engineer or something could hook some kind of device up to this machine, like a multimeter or something, to see if it actually does put power back in. That would be kind of interesting to see. what it does. All right, leaving the Lucky Labrador beer hole, Northwest Portland. This has just been an awesome day. So what I'm gonna try to do here is gonna make my way through downtown, try to go through the waterfront or on the waterfront or whatever, mess around there, and then maybe cross back over the Tillamook crossing, which would be cool. This is an awesome day. I hope all you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure and hit that subscribe button. I do all kinds of cool stuff on motorcycles, venture bikes, e-bikes, or whatever you want to call this. This is technically a motorcycle, but you guys love to call it an e-bike, so I'll call it what you guys want to call it. Need to pull over here and check my stats, but we're a little over 20 miles and 66% battery. I thought I was at 75% battery, so pretty much at our turnaround spot or turnaround point, which that's what we're basically doing. We rode from Oregon City to Northwest Portland. So now it's time to turn around and start making our way back home. Looks like a good spot to pull over in the shade here. I'm in my shorts and I put a lot of sunscreen on before I left, but I can feel my legs getting sunburned. Gotta watch out for these tracks. Might eat your tire up. Oh, there's a sign right there that shows a bike falling in the railroad tracks. Oh no, you almost crashed into a Tesla. Then you almost crashed into a Talaria. You can't stop in the middle of the road, folks. We're on the railroad tracks, folks. Is that a witch? Holy shit, I just spotted a witch. All right, GoPros are still recording. 65% battery, folks. All kinds of folks and critters here in downtown Portland, baby. They say Portland's weird or keep Portland weird or something. It is a little funky down here. Not as bad as LA. I was watching a John Hicks video the other day. My God, LA's insane. All right, back here in OC at the Clackamas River. I've got almost 40 miles and I'm at 34%. So, and I'm meeting some people at corner 14 in Oregon City here shortly. So we're gonna go there and meet up with them and have a frosty beverage. 34%, folks, about 40 miles. Can't believe how many people are on the river today. Hi. All right, guys, we're at corner 14 in Oregon City, and we gotta finish this ride now. Got a cheeseburger, and some fries. Hung out with some friends. We're at 25%, so it's blinking. So we're gonna ride around, try to burn some more of this battery off. See what we could get. So I gotta get back up the hill. That's gonna burn some battery off. Get back up the hill and run around there. Maybe go to the hospital up here. Run around there. Typically what I do when I'm at the end of my battery. Will it make it up the hill in eco mode? With 23% battery left, it will, because of this big sprocket. Look at this, just climbing up. These are some very steep hills here in Oregon City, folks. I think this one's even steeper, so this will be fun. This is probably the steepest one in Oregon City right here. Eco mode, low 20% battery, still just chugging up like a diesel truck. My man. No, I was in eco mode. Oh, the joys of eco mode. Gotta love it. So this thing is really slow with 20% battery left and a 54 tooth sprocket on. Probably maxing out at like 20 miles an hour. Yeah, baby. Woo! The Talaria is just still ripping it in eco mode with, what does that say? 13% battery. Crazy. I gotta get back home before this battery just kaputs on me. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Oregon Motorcycle. I hope you guys got some more knowledge here. I don't know what the final results are, but I'm gonna say that I got more mileage out of the stock sprocket. So I'm still going with the inclination. So down below is going to be the final results and what have you. So